siya. Kaya kailangan na naming i-harvest ang aming mga kagulayan at mga fruits. So, yan. I think it's not ready yet. The rest is not ready yet. I know, it's not ready.
I planted a watermelon this year. The biggest to smallest by my
Okay.
eyes.
You better harvest. Now, you hold it, babe. Time to harvest our eggplant also.
It's big.
Yeah.
Where's the second
There's
one? I know this is
2 more. Wala na siyang dahon, guys, kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang bugs.
There's so many bugs.
Oh, come on, ate. That is just teeny tiny bugs. You are fine.
I just blew it off the thing so it hurt.
There's one more.
I know I'm grabbing it.
Okay, we have 3 eggplants.
And there's some more on the way.
Woot!
Like right there.
And there's some more.
There's some more on the way.
More coming.
Ampalaya.
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 Ampalaya. Here we go.
Get it.
It's a circle. Why is it a circle?
Yeah. There's another one, ate.
There is? Okay, come on.
Right here. Ooh, bigger.
Let me see. Ooh, that's big.
Just be careful. There's a
Oh.
cantaloupe in there. Sus, naka-heels pa itong aking dalaga nag-harvest.
It's just my flip-flop.
Okay. Okay. Got it?
Ay.
Dami nang nakuha ang ate.
It seems like a straight sharp melon.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. And there's the eggplant. I think that's enough. You can get the eggplant right there.
Oh wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, let's go up there.
That's a big one. Mama, that's a big one.
Okay.
Look how,
Now you can get it.
look how big it is.
I know. Okay, get it. Time to get it. Because it's gonna rain. I'm afraid it will go bad. So we better
Oh.
get it before it will too late. Oh, wow. Wow.
I can't even fit in the basket.
Put over here.
There, where's the bigger one?
There you go.
I'll put it right here. The baby right there.
Okay, now let's get the cucumber. There's a cucumber.
Damaged, but still good.
It's still good.
So
Yeah,
it's damaged, but still good. I don't think we have enough space.
it's fine.
Over here where the melons are and some other peppers.
Yeah, I think there's still some more squash,
Oh, I don't see any.
pepper, and there's more peppers.
But none isn't ready yet.
Nakaharvest na ng mga gulay at prutas. Salamat sa blessings, Lord.
Here,
And
you hold
thank
this.
you all
I'm
for
gonna pick up
watching.
the
God
peppers.
bless. Ito na yung na-harvest namin ni Ate Sadie. See you on my next video. Bye!